Hi everyone, today we are at Cecil, a Oberoi property located in Shimla. So after the lobby, this is the lounge area. Next we'll show you the dining area. So this is outside the dining area. And these are sofas for waiting area, for waiting, sitting. And next we have the dining room. You'll have your breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything or even high tea arranged here. Next we'll take you to our room. So this is the entrance of our room. As we enter the room, we have a cupboard followed by a luggage keeping area, a television, a study area. This is the outside view from our window. Keep your windows closed as it's a signage written there. Then we have a sitting sofa, then a bed. And the best part is you have a whole pillow list. You can choose your pillow. This is the bathroom. You get all the toiletries. If you even miss some of the toiletries, you can order here. So next we'll show you the swimming pool and the health club area. So just along with the dining hall, you get the stairs down leading to the basement, which will directly take you to the pool. And this is the entrance of the pool, and adjacent to the pool is the health club or the gym area. You can get your tubes. So don't forget to get in your swimming costume. That it is one of a biggest pool I've seen in a hotel in Shimla. It's a regulatory temperature pool. This is the changing area, and the outside view while you swim is also great from here. So this is the whole pool area. So this is the regulatory temperature here. About that. Next we'll take you to the gym. So as we enter the gym, you get detox water and fruits. And there's a fridge to keep your towels and your first aid kit, the outside view, and the whole and the sanitizer and the whole gym equipments as you can see. Thank you. Enjoy your stay when you visit.